Students, in the previous video we were doing question number 6 of exercise 15a, but because of some technical issues, question number 6, the solution of the question number 6 could not be uploaded. So we'll continue question number 6 of exercise 15a. It's about a bar graph. The bar graph illustrates the result of a survey conducted on shops in a housing estate. A survey was conducted on shops and they concluded the number of workers in the shops. What did they find out? Number of workers in the shops. The bar graphs have been shown over here. The number of workers are shown on the horizontal axis, whereas the number of shops are shown on the vertical axis. The horizontal axis is also called x-axis and the vertical axis is also called y-axis. Now what is required? Part A. Find the total number of workers employed in the housing estate. They are telling you to calculate the total number of workers. Let me explain the bar graph 1 to you. In bar graph 1, they are telling you that one worker, as on x-axis or on the horizontal axis, number of workers are shown. It means that one worker is employed by 4 shops. It means that each shop is hiring one worker. So 4 shops are going to hire number of workers hired by 4 shops. Each shop is hiring one worker, so 4 shops are hiring 4 workers. Then bar graph 2. 2 workers. The number 2 is shown over here. It is number of workers. 2 workers are hired by how many shops? 6 shops. Each shop is hiring 2 workers. So total number of workers hired by 6 shops is 2, and total number of workers 2 into 6, 12. And now the bar graph 3. 3 workers are hired by 5 shops. So in total it must be 3 into 5, 15. Number of workers hired by 5 shops. And then bar graph 4. 4 workers are hired by 3 shops. So 3 into 4, it will be 12. It is by 3 shops. And the last part. 5 workers have been employed by 2 shops. It means that 2 shops are hiring 5 workers. Each shop is hiring 5 workers. So in total 2 shops will be hiring 10 workers. So now we have to calculate the total number of workers, and it is 53. Total number of workers hired by all shops. We are going to add all these workers, and these are the number of workers hired by all shops. Now part B. Express the number of shops hiring 3 or more workers as a percentage of the total number of shops in the housing estate. We know that whenever we have to calculate the percentage, over here we have to calculate the percentage of the number of shops hiring 3 or more workers. Number of shops hiring 3 or more workers will be the numerator as a percentage of the total number of shops. So total number of shops will be the denominator. Number of shops hiring 3 or more workers will be numerator, and total number of shops will be denominator, and we are going to multiply it by 100% because we have to calculate the percentage. Now in order to calculate the percentage, we should know the number of shops hiring 3 or more workers. How many shops are hiring 3 or more workers? We can look at the graph. Have a look on the graph, and we can see that 3 workers are employed by 5 shops. Then 4 workers are employed by 3 shops, and then 5 workers are employed by 2 shops. It means that in total, the number of shops who are hiring 3 or more workers is 5 plus 3 plus 2. 5 plus 3 plus 2, it is 10. Now we have to find out total number of shops, because we have to calculate the percentage of the number of shops hiring 3 or more workers as a percentage of the total number of shops. So we need to calculate the total number of shops. In part A, we have mentioned the number of shops in each step: 6, 5, 3, 2, 4, and we can add all these numbers. We'll get the total number of shops, or you can calculate the number of shops from the graphic. Look at this: 4, then 6, then 5, then 3, and then 2. It means 6, 5, 4, 3, and 2. 6, 5, 4, 3, and 2. As we know, 3 to 5, 5 and 5, 10, 10 and 10, 20. So the total number of shops is 20. Now we have to calculate the percentage. Percentage will be 10 by 20 multiplied by 100%, and it is 50%. 50% of the shops are hiring 3 or more workers. Now part C. Suggest why some shops employ more workers than others. There are so many reasons. One of them could be that the shops are bigger, so that's why they require more workers. Or they are located in a populated area. That's why they require more workers. Or they want to employ more workers, so that more workers, it's the policy of the shop that they are employing more workers so that the customers could be facilitated. So there can be many reasons. Now we are done with question number 6. In the next lecture, we'll start Cartesian plane and Cartesian coordinates, so stay with us.